Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this 40-piece, basically food container or other containers. BPA free, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, stacking, free of PVC and all that. 44 pieces with lids and whatnot. So this is a nice green color. The lids have vents in them that if you're microwaving, if you have a lid that's on there and it doesn't have a vent, the microwave, when you heat it up, just sucks it down. It can actually damage or break. I've had other bowls where I did where it just broke the lid. So these have the lids here. And here are the containers. Some more lids. They're little guys there. And here's all the containers right here. Easily stackable. Nice. There's should be 22 of those. And pretty compact. So let's kind of check it out here. All right, so whether you're meal prepping or just getting food ready for tomorrow, you can put these in the freezer, keep your food safe. These all are labeled with how many ounces they are. So if you're keeping track of what you're eating, these are nice and handy. Make sure you wash them first. This is 1.5 liters or however many ounces, 50 ounces on there. And see that these are all nice and stackable as well, so you can put them in each other and it doesn't take up a lot of space, which is really nice. And you have all these for the microwave. Like I said before, this hole in the top is really good just to vent it out and keeps stuff, if you have the lid off to the side, keeps it from splattering when you're microwaving it, and also keeps your lid from just collapsing in on itself and getting ruined. But yeah, you can put all kinds of stuff in here and they're super handy. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all have a great day. I'll see you next time.